We'll guide you through how to add clips in CapCut, making your video editing experience smooth and efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open CapCut on your desktop. Once it loads, you'll see the main dashboard. To start a new project, click on the New Project option. This will take you to the editing interface where you can begin adding clips to your timeline. Now, to import your clips, look for the Import button, usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it, and a File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate through your computer files to find the video clips you want to work with. Select them and click Open to import them into CapCut. Once the clips are imported, you'll see them appear in the media library on the left-hand side. You can now drag and drop each clip from the media library onto the timeline at the bottom of the screen. Make sure to place them in the order that you want them to appear in your final video. It's that simple. If you need to trim or adjust the clips, you can click on the edges of each clip on the timeline and drag them to your desired length. CapCut also offers various tools and effects to enhance your video, so feel free to experiment with those as well. And there you have it. You've successfully added and arranged clips in CapCut. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.